If you want 2026 to be the best year of your life, listen carefully. The next few seconds matter more than most people realize. Because every January, smart and driven people make the same invisible mistake, and it quietly destroys the year before it even starts. It's not laziness. It's not lack of discipline. It's depending on motivation instead of structure. The people who actually succeed don't wait to feel inspired. They build systems that force progress, even on bad days. Here's the framework. First, learn from regret. Pick one regret from 2025. Write it down. Take the lesson from it. Then, let the regret go and keep the plan. Regret isn't weakness, it's instruction. Second, imagine future failure. Picture December 31st, 2026, and the year didn't go how you wanted. Ask yourself why. No planning, no accountability, too much distraction. Now, design your year so that failure never gets a chance. Third, choose one word for 2026, not a goal, a theme. One word that guides every decision. When you feel lost, that word pulls you back on track. Fourth, build structure, not pressure. Protect the first hour of your day. Use the 2-minute rule to remove mental clutter. Do weekly resets so your life doesn't drift. And finally, don't do life alone. Choose your circle carefully. Track small wins daily. Express gratitude often. A great year is never an accident. You don't wait for a better year. You build one.